Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 43 Coupe. This one's iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 21-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels with black accents. Bi-turbo 4MATIC badging. Black leather interior, panorama sunroof, rear climate controls with rear heated seats. This one does come with soft closing doors. In the back we've got a spoiler, AMG GLE 43 badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Trailer hitch. This one comes with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, AMG illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation. Also included in the Premium 3 is the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 43 Coupe has 27,273 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.